Dance in Video is a database with over 900 hours of dance videos, including performances, interviews, instructional videos, and much more. The easiest way to access it is from the Allen Library homepage under Streaming Video. Once you've opened the database, click on the search box at the top to look for a specific dancer, choreographer, or work. I'm going to search Merce Cunningham, Beach Birds, and hit enter. Then just click on the video you want to watch. So I'll click this first one. I'm going to mute the sound and jump just a little further on in the video. To learn more, click the icon with 4 arrows at the bottom right to show the video information. This will give you a description, the release date, the credits, and more. If you're not looking for anything in particular, you can also just browse through all the videos. So I'm going to click my back button and go back to the home page. Then click the red filter button to browse for whatever you want. I'll choose the masterclass content type, and then just masterclasses with George Balanchine, and click the red X to shrink that box. And we see a variety of Balanchine masterclass videos. You can also create a free account to save video clips, make playlists, and more. Explore it on your own or ask a librarian for help.